Aiden has got the coin. It's a tails, which means he's won the toss. Aiden, tell us what you'll be doing and why.
We're going to bet first, Nicky.
It's quite hot today, 28 degrees Celsius. The high will get as low as 21, which is a cool temperature, especially for us West Indians. Teak Shanna, who's in for his first game of the season, they've got firepower of their own. Mark, what's a good day to you?
Good day, Nicky.
This time Crawley makes contact. Adjacent. The struggle continues for Zach Crawley at the top of the order. Will he think about a review? Yes, he does.
Original decision is out. Pitching outside off, impact in line, and wickets umpire score. Mazizi, you can stay with your original decision of out. Stand by, on screen, signal now.
Yeah, and there's confirmation.
Finally, he's rewarded David Bedingham for impeccable timing. And Teak Shannon helped. Good innovation from Tom Abel. This is what he does well when he's on sound.
Fantastic play. That's a terrific reverse sweep, and that's gone for 4. Back of the way straight away. To do. There's a shout, and he's picked up a wicket. So there you go, third ball, and he's picked up a wicket. So there's a good comeback from Jones. A little bit short that time, nicely played. Long way. It's over the top. Good connection. Found that gap superbly, and that's...
It adapts him pretty quickly. That's an excellent shot over cover. Did he pick the gap? Yes, 1 bounce 4.
Look at that. Could be the shot of the tournament. Majestic. 250s last year. He could be looking for another one. Delicately played and played late. Given straight away. Sapamla back into the attack has made an impact. Good angling of the bat, you know.
Beautiful shot. Great timing. Done the sweeper as well. And there's 9 off the first 4. Might be out. Is out. Captain's taken the catch. How he goes about it. Underneath that, and he set that cleanly. That's a lovely shot. That is superbly played. They needed that. That's gone for 6. Another full toss. And he's got good connection. That's flat. Flat for 6. Brilliant from Stubbs.
Oh, it should be high.
He's got underneath that and just drilled that. Flipping that on the onside. Just going to be the one. No, they're coming back for the second. Gets the big dive in as well as Marco Janssen. He's got there. Top dive from Janssen. That is really good work. 13 runs off the last over. That's it.
Well negotiated, that. Nice placement. That has come out the middle of the bat. It's in front of square, so that will be 4 more. Good end to the over. There's been a lot of pressure built. That is a chance. A massive chance, which has gone a-begging. Shot. Top shot. This time taken and lifted to the roar. Janssen and St. George's Park know the importance of getting that man. It was uppish, but it will be a release of pressure for Conway. Deep backward square. Where are you, spectator? I think that came off the top edge as well from Duclos. He kept his head down. Brave shot, 48 for 1 after an eventful power play.
Yeah, he just gone the other way. Bit of a switch, that one. That's a superbly played.
Hit straight and hit clean.
Yeah!
There's an edge there. Markham strikes back, fights back, as does his team. Edge, no slip, and even if there was one, wasn't going to get there. Fortune for Bairstow. Great placement.
This is the matchup. Stride, but not successful.
Oh, taken midfield the previous delivery, but Crawley makes up for it. And left arm spin can get left-handers. Wow, trace of bullet.
Backing away, and he's got that away fine. 4 runs. Now, is that going to be out? It is out, Gordon. Now that might be out. It is out. Country catch. Easily taken, that one. As well, beautifully. Now, very much. Oh, it's down the leg side. Stubbs goes up. Puts quarter wide. There's no connection. The whole crowd went up with Stubbs as well. Oh, that's it well. That's it very well indeed. That's a chance for a one-handed catch. Should we top it off? Now that's probably out as well. It's up high. Who's under it? Well, that's out of the middle. That's been dispatched into the stand. Oh, he went that way. He went that way. And he's got him.
Well, it's the base of middle or base of leg. Either way, it's out. Full and straight. Brilliant bowling.
Full toss. Eased away the onside. That's gone for a boundary. Off the last ball. Top start from the Sunrisers. Eastern Cape. Aidan Marker and his troops have done it again. That's their 4th victory in a row. This time without a bonus point, but they'll be delighted.